So let me go for gradient mask. So I'm using a direct function, direct inbuilt function called as image gradient. It performs the gradient operation in both the x direction and y direction. So I am taking some image and I am using that image for performing this gradient operation. And here again, I want to show it side by side in order to compare and analyze them, study them. So you can see here. So I'm taking the coins image and the gradient has been performed in the x direction and the y direction. So you see how the edges are getting enhanced, isn't it? So highlighting in the sense the fine details, that is wherever, whenever we say gradient, there should be some change. Wherever there is a change, wherever there is a transition, that portion will be highlighted. It will be enhanced. So here from the background, this coin is placed. So there is a transition. So overall the boundaries of this coin, you will have the transition being shown. So this is getting enhanced here. So this is along the x direction and this is along the y direction. So again, this one will show both the things side by side.